welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox this one, which I've bought it just the day whatever. I bought it before, and I'm really excited for that. But I'm so sorry because I've taken away the packaging, so it just left this one. But I promise I've never opened this, and I've been waiting for so long, and I'm so excited to open this one. So let's get started. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay, there is something which actually you can't open like. Oh, there is some sticky, like a very sticky kind of things over here, and also here that you can actually stick it back if you want to. And here you can see this one. Here is some kind of figures. And here you can see, yeah, this includes this one. This one is the one. It includes a book of 16 pages and also a model which you can actually create a bubbling lava. So I'll be taking this. Oh my gosh! Look at this. Okay, this is how it looks like. This is really a huge one. Oh wow, this one is it says this is an underwater volcano. So it tells you like how it actually works. And here this is a book which there is 16 pages in it. And this one will be the one which actually there's the thing that you need in order to make a volcano eruption or the lava. But it's not the real volcano eruption, it's safe for everyone, I think. Oh, but this one, here it says that it is not suitable for the child who is only 3 years old, so parents have to be aware of that. So here is a syringe, and this one is the modeling clay, and here will be the sodium carbonate, and this one will be the citric acid, and this is an ice cream stick. And here is the procedure for you to actually create a bubbling volcano. And here you can create it by yourself by following this wand, and that's it. So I'll be reading this wand, and only then I'm gonna create this one.
2,000 years later.
Okay, in this book, what you can get is actually a lot of informations, a lot of actually the knowledge about the earthquakes and also the volcanoes, and also there's a few interesting activities you can actually do, like for example the one to make this jelly earthquakes, and also there's a few like this one, shake like an earthquake, which actually you can try to make an earthquake and you like observe what have these earthquakes done to us, you know, like all the buildings, like how it actually works, that kind of things. And also you can also get, you see this one, make a geyser, make a geyser like this one, but it has to be aware, you know, little kids, don't try this by yourself. Please do this with your parents or your guardians around you, okay? And this one, and there's also a few questions, and you have your answer over here. And I think that's it. So we'll go to this part. So I'll be taking this off. Whoa. Wow. Okay, so first we're just gonna follow this. We'll be following this. Oh my gosh. this one, just a black peppers to put beneath this, so it won't spell out too much or something. I just don't want my table to be ruined or something. But no worries, it can be removed by the water. So I put this, and it is also easier for you to see the lava coming out. So first thing I'm gonna do is gonna open this one. Oh wow. So this is the clay. It smells not good. It does not smell good. Anyways. Okay. Now we're gonna make the step one, which is to mold your volcano. So we're taking this one. Okay, gonna squish everything. Okay, and now we're gonna make into a round shape. Okay, you're gonna make into like this, and then you're gonna make a hole like Okay, anyways, you're gonna make a hole like this. So you're gonna put into the ingredients into it. So this is how it looks like. But you're gonna put like the top of it has to be smaller. I'm not sure, like I just follow how it looks like in here. Okay, so this will be my volcano. So now we're gonna make a step 2. You have to pour half of the 300. Pour this one. Which one? Pour half of 3/4 of the bicarbonate of soda and half of the 3/4 of the citric acid into your clay volcano. Oh, half of 3/4. So we're gonna put half of it into this one first. We're just gonna open a little tiny opening here. Scissors. Okay, and I'm gonna pour this. Close it back, and then this one. This one is a sodium bicarbonate. Also the same, you're just gonna put half of a 3/4. Okay, and after that, you're gonna stir it. You're gonna use this to stir and mix the powder together. So, you're just gonna mix it. Let me show you how it looks like. Just gonna stir it. Stir. Okay, and next one, what we're gonna do is you're gonna prepare a little of water and then you use the syringe. This is step 4. You're gonna use a syringe, and then you're gonna put this water onto the volcano and then watch the volcano bubble over. So let's see how it looks like. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so we're gonna use this. And then we're gonna take some water. Okay, so not this much, but I'm gonna put a little bit of, maybe until 4 or 3 like that. Okay, so we're gonna put it into this one. Are you ready? Okay, I'm gonna take this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh! Look at this! This is so cool! This is so cool, man! I really like this! And also for step 5, if you want to make it like, if you want to keep it continue flowing, then you can actually put some more of this citric acid and also the sodium bicarbonate, just a little bit, not too much. Maybe a little. And you put a bit of the sodium carbonate. And then again, mix it. And this lava is keep on flowing. Can you see this one? Oh my gosh! Guys, this is so cool. Like, you have to try this. You have to try this. This is so cool. I really like this. So you can see like it's still flowing. So this one you can keep it. If you want to make it another time, then you can just keep it properly. And also this one, it says that here it may produce an allergic reaction. So after you did all of this, please wash your hands. You don't want to get any allergy reaction on your face or on your body. So I think that's it. Oh my gosh, I really like this so much. And also for kids, remember to not to try this by yourself. You have to get your parents, supervision to actually do this. Even though this one does not really dangerous, but you just want to be careful whenever you do an experiment. You just treat this as an experiment. Oh my gosh! Like now you're like a scientist and you're actually observing this lava eruption. Because what if I put more water? It's coming out again, it's coming out again. So guys, if you don't want to put the citric acid and the sodium carbonate more, you can, if you want to keep it overflowing, like you want to keep it flowing, but you don't want to add the citric acid or the sodium carbonate, you can just add more water to make it fully reacted. Oh my gosh, I really like this. So I think that's it for today's video. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.
Later.
Guys, you can see this. So now it is almost done. The reaction is almost complete. So if you want to do this experiment again, you can actually keep this your volcano. You can just keep it, and if one day you want to do it again, you can just put the citric acid and also the sodium carbonate and also the water to make the volcano eruption again. And also please don't forget to do this with your parents, with your guardians. If you are still a kid, which you're just too little, you don't want to try this yourself. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye.